Here one beautiful pastime of a great Vaishnav who was a disciple of Srila Prabhupada, Srila Gaur Govind Swami Maharaj. This the small story is about a disciple who was hunted by lusty desires and how he was saved from the clutches of Maya and falling into complete sense gratification. This story was recounted by a disciple of Srila Gaur Govind Swami Maharaj who wishes to remain anonymous. So I happened to read this on the internet, and so here is the story of that disciple of 1980, of the year 1980. There was a one, so there were many of those. There were many boys at that time, the young boys who were aspiring to serve Chilagor Govind Swami Maharaj. So one of them, one of these young men who was seeking for a job, was given the service of door to door preaching, and during his service, he frequently visited a household, a grihastha devotee to collect donations. Over time, he became infatuated with the devotee's daughter, and the two began to spend time talking to each other. So, eventually, what happened was during his service, he instead of so the householder devotee. He was eager to help and he invited Gurudev to hold a kirtan in his village. The date was set, and the devotee and his wife left the day early to make the necessary arrangements, leaving their daughter behind due to her studies. So, next, what was happening is the young man who had fallen in love with the girl devised a plan and he told her that when Gurdev and other devotees left for the village, the next day he would stay behind under the pretense of illness and come to see her alone. So, when the Gurudev asked, "Where is that boy?" the devotee replied, "He's not coming with us. He has stomachache. Till yesterday he was fit and fine, and how he came, how come he has stomachache now? No, no, he'll go to Hari Sankirtan," Gurudev said. In spite of the disciple having a stomachache. So one other devotee said to Gurudev, "What when he don't want to come? How can we force him? He's saying he has severe pain in the stomach." However, Gurudev was adamant that the young man should accompany them. Despite the devotees' insistence that they were already running late, Gurudev firmly instructed them to go back and bring the young man, saying that if he didn't come, no one would go. Meanwhile, the young man, excited at the thought of meeting the girl alone for the first time, he was waiting anxiously in his room. He had dressed carefully and was waiting for some time to pass so that Gurudev, along with all the devotees, depart for the village. He quickly decided to hide. He quickly decided to hide behind his house, hoping they would leave without him when they couldn't find him. As he lay there in pain, calling for help, the devotee who had been sent to fetch him heard the cries and rushed to his aid. You see, Gurudev is all knowing. He knows our heart. We were all set to go, but Gurudev forced us to bring you. He said, "If the boy is not coming with us, then we are not going." He forced me to come for you. If you, Gurudev would not have sent me, imagine what would have happened to you. Whole day you would be crying for help inside the ditch and no one there to rescue. You see, Gurudev is so kind. Anyhow, now your legs are severely injured. You can't go anywhere. What to speak of Hari Sankirtan? You take a rest. I will inform Gurudev. The young man, unable to meet the girl that day, was deeply moved. Reflecting on the incident, he understood that Gurudev had been aware of his intentions all along and had taken steps to protect him from the clutches of Maya. Today, this fortunate disciple, whose identity remains anonymous, leads a life of strict celibacy and continues to serve in the temples of Srila Prabhupada. So, this was a beautiful pastime, and it is a real time story, and it shows how the Maya allures a Jiva's soul, and the soul unable, and the devotee, the soul or rather the devotee, unable to identify the pitfalls or the probable illusion there, and goes ahead, but he is saved from such dangers because he believes in the Lord and Guru, and Gurudev is merciful enough to bring him back from the clutches of Maya. So this was a beautiful pastime that has been told by disciple of Srila Gaur Govind Swami Maharaj. Srila Gaur Govind Swami Maharaj ki Jai. Hare Krishna.